Owls, it's Miss Benham. I thought maybe we could do a fun experiment today. Now, our color that we have been discovering this week is the color orange. And I went around and I tried to find some things that are orange. And I found an orange piece of fruit, yummy, yummy, and I found some carrots. And I was holding these two objects in my hand, my orange and my carrot. One of them is heavier than the other. Which one do you think is heavier? You're right, the orange is heavier. It has a lot of juice in it. And Miss Benham got to thinking, I wonder if any of these things can float. So we're going to do an experiment today. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to make a hypothesis. I want you to say that word with me. Hypothesis. And that means we are going to make an educated guess about what we think is going to happen during our experiment. Now what I did is I took a bowl, okay, and I filled my bowl with water. And we're going to see which object will sink and which object will float. I think my hypothesis is that the carrot will float and the orange will sink. What is your hypothesis? I want you to think about that for a second. All right, have you formed your hypothesis? 2 thumbs up? All right, good. So we're going to conduct our experiment now. So I have my bowl of water, and let's find out what happens. So I'm going to take my carrots. I have 3 carrots, and we are going to put our carrots in the water. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What happened, owls? The carrots sunk to the bottom of the water. I did not expect that to happen. I wonder what's going to happen when we put the orange in the water. All right, are we ready? So I'm going to hold up my bowl so we can see what happens. Putting my orange. Oh my goodness, guess what? My orange is floating in the water. Wow, that is so cool. Now, the reason why my orange was floating in the water is because the orange has this rind around it. And if you feel an orange, it feels kind of bumpy. And that's because there are little holes in the rind of the orange, and that helps to make the orange float in the water. Wow! Now, my hypothesis was not correct, but you know what? That's okay because that is how we learn. We make a guess about what we think happens. This is called the scientific process. And what we did was we made an educated guess. We did our hypothesis. We performed an experiment. And then we formed our conclusion. And our conclusion was that the carrot sunk and the orange floated. I hope you had fun doing an experiment with me, owls. And I will talk to you later. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I love you, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.